Burr. It's cold. There's snow on the ground, and hey, looks like they did repair the scratch they put in my boat, so that's nice. They did an okay job of it. Yeah, decals are coming soon. Yeah, they did. They sanded it. They painted it up okay. I'm all right with that. Good job, guys. Now I just got to climb up here and get some measurements real quick off of the engine so that I can hook up water to it tomorrow and hopefully figure out where the water's getting in the oil. Fun. Last time on Proteus Rising, it was time to juggle all the things, including a surprise call from a marina closer to everything, putting in a gravel parking pad on a property, removing the microfarm, installing a new lawn, business travel, and the start of high school baseball season. In this episode, we hit a pattern of drive, boat work, drive, rinse, repeat. Come on along as we work to sell the house, refit a boat, and go from land to sea and all around the world. There's no power near the boat, so I'm not quite sure how far away the nearest power outlet is. So I'm bringing all the extension cords. It's all good. I'm gonna bring garden hose too. Just watch this. If that's not enough hose, and that's not enough power, then we'll tackle that when we get there. But those are the resources I've got to bring to bear on the problem. So there it is. This because it's gonna be cold up there. A little bit of light reading. Are we full yet? No, we're not. Are we full yet? No. I almost forgot the boat keys. That would have been bad. Well, I think that's mostly it. We'll get up there and figure out what we forgot. No problem. Oh, it's cold. Oh, Ellie, you poor dear. Oh, look at that. Oh. There shouldn't be ice on a sailboat. That's just not right. That's not right at all. Oh. Well, oh, hello. Somebody's been in here and left the steps off. I guess they were gonna do some work and I told them to stop, so they stepped away. So I get to climb on the engine. Great. Okay. Supply stop number 1. So, well water. Son of a bitch, look at this. Okay, and here is my raw water. This is the sea. Oh, here we go. Sorry. There's my sea strainer. So it picks up off of this through hull here, and up into the sea strainer, and then down to the engine. So this is the wrong kind of hose for this. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect that because this is a. This should be a wire reinforced hose, and it's because it can collapse under suction if it's not wire reinforced. So that's got to go. I'm going to pull that off and just cut a little ring off of it so I can get the right size to connect up my 5-gallon bucket to do my fake water supply. Here we go.
Steering. When a boat sails forward through the water, moving the tiller to port turns the boat to starboard. When a boat sails forward through the water, moving the tiller to starboard turns the boat to port.
Whew. It's sunny. It's like it's got to be like 45 degrees today, which is, oh, I tell you, a lot warmer than the last time we came out. There she is, right there. That's my girl. Wifey inside, hard at work. Just running into use the facilities for a moment. This is the less than glamorous part of boat ownership, and of course a lot of boat owners get to do the less than glamorous part right at the beginning. Well, I guess we can get through this. Other hardships might not seem so bad. Or you reach a point where you're like, well, I'm not giving up now. compared to some of the other boats in this yard right now, she's pretty clean.
Yeah. No, it's kind of sad. You gotta wonder how long she's been here. You still need the light? I found it.
Actually, yeah, that would be better because right now I'm stuck holding it in my hand.
Here.
Thanks.
I have it hanging from one of the handrails on the port side.
Oh, that's right.
I knew we had it. I remember where it went.
Hey, look at that. Nice. How is this thing supposed to be attached?
This thing is gonna kill somebody.
The table?
Yes.
Maybe I can just bend that hook a bit. Oh, that's what those are for. Huh. Interesting. Do you know where the handle for the manual bilge pump is by any chance?
No.
Okay, no problem.
Let me check the nav station. Remember that thing that we were holding up the nav table with?
Oh yeah, that's it. Let's go ahead and put it on the top of the step there. Oh, yeah, I don't need it down here.
Oh, okay, on top of the step?
Yeah, at the companionway.
Got it.
Thank you.
Yay! Cooperation!
That doesn't look right. Huh. That's not right at all.
Should I unpack everything in the nav station too?
Oh, like what is it?
Well, expired flares, flag cruising hooks,
Yeah, the expired flares and stuff gotta go.
air bulbs.
Yeah, it may be, well, yeah. It may be that the, life raft recertification people, they probably have a way to safely dispose of those flares. Know what I mean?
Yeah, so that's what I'm asking. Do we bring it with?
Yeah.
Or leave it on the boat?
No, pack them up.
Okay.
That's terrible. It's gotta go. This. Why is it so? It should be like that. It slid down. Guess there's nothing to keep it there. Just don't look at 8s, those look like 10s. Okay, so pliers. 8 and 10, I guess. Okay.
To reach the top of the steep hill. When a sailboat switches from a zig to a zag, it is called a tack. A tack or tacking is turning the bow of the boat through the wind from one side to the other, from one side of the no-go zone to the other. When a boat... Our time in these last few weeks helped us focus in on what needed to be done and what could wait. It was a juggling act, as life often is. Work, kids, house, health, friends, play, and now boat.
So, in order to go from living in a house to living on a boat, we have to go from this.
Open up your cupboard too.
I can't even. Stuff in there too.
Got a few hats there, darling.
May need to do some thinning. Well, this is me. I'm at work on my lunch break, getting fit. Check it out. Ooh, look at me. Whoa, whoa, almost died. Hey, anyway, back to fitness. Get serious. Get serious. You comfortable?
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned next time as the juggling between sell the house and refit the boat continues.
And I gotta go from this